Before diving into the countdown, imagine knowing what's happening around your home anytime, from anywhere. Today's smartest security cameras do far more than simply record video. They use AI to recognize people, send instant alerts, provide crystal clear day and night footage, and let you communicate with visitors in real time. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we've researched and ranked the top 5 best home security cameras of 2026 based on video quality, smart features, reliability, ease of installation, privacy, and overall value. Stay with us until the end, because our number 1 pick delivers the ultimate combination of security, intelligence, and peace of mind. Number 5. Google Nest Cam Battery. The Google Nest Cam Battery is one of the best home security cameras available in 2026, combining intelligent AI-powered monitoring, flexible installation, and crystal clear video quality in a sleek, weather-resistant design. Whether you're protecting your home, monitoring your front door, or keeping an eye on pets and family members, this smart camera delivers reliable performance with minimal setup. Its wire-free battery-powered design allows you to install it almost anywhere, indoors or outdoors, without worrying about power cables. The Nest Cam records sharp 1080p HD of video with a wide 130-degree field of view, capturing clear details during both the day and night. Advanced HDR technology helps balance bright sunlight and dark shadows, while night vision ensures dependable monitoring even in complete darkness. Built-in AI intelligently distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, helping reduce unnecessary notifications and ensuring you receive alerts that truly matter. Integrated with the Google Home ecosystem, the Nest Cam allows users to view live video, receive instant motion alerts, communicate through two-way audio, and access recorded events directly from the Google Home app. It also supports Google Assistant, making it easy to monitor your property using voice commands or compatible smart displays. One of its standout features is the ability to continue recording important events even during temporary Wi-Fi outages, storing clips locally until the connection is restored. Its rechargeable battery provides flexible placement, while the durable weather-resistant construction ensures dependable operation throughout the year. The Google Nest Cam also emphasizes privacy and security with encrypted video transmission and customizable activity zones that let you focus on the areas that matter most. Optional Nest-aware subscription plans unlock extended video history, familiar face detection, and additional smart features for even greater protection. Overall, the Google Nest Cam Battery is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a dependable, easy-to-use, and intelligent security camera. With its smart AI detection, reliable wireless performance, seamless Google integration, and flexible installation options, it remains one of the top home security cameras to consider in 2026. Number 4. Ring Spotlight Cam Pro. The Ring Spotlight Cam Pro is one of the most advanced home security cameras available in 2026, offering premium surveillance features, intelligent motion detection, and powerful built-in lighting to help protect your property day and night. Designed for homeowners who want reliable outdoor security, this camera combines sharp video quality, smart AI capabilities, and an easy-to-use mobile experience in one durable, weather-resistant package. Equipped with crisp 2K video resolution, the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro captures highly detailed footage with excellent clarity in both daylight and low light conditions. Its color night vision enhances visibility after dark, while the bright LED spotlights automatically illuminate your surroundings whenever motion is detected, helping deter unwanted visitors and improve video quality. One of the camera's standout features is Ring's advanced 3D motion detection with bird's eye view, which uses radar technology to track movement more accurately and reduce false alerts. Users receive real-time notifications through the Ring app, allowing them to monitor their property from anywhere. The built-in two-way audio system features noise cancellation, making it easy to communicate with visitors, delivery drivers, all family members directly from your smartphone. The Ring Spotlight Cam Pro integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, enabling voice control and live viewing on compatible Echo devices. It also supports customizable motion zones, security sirens, and flexible power options, including battery, plug-in, and solar panel compatibility, allowing homeowners to choose the setup that best fits their needs. Built with weather-resistant materials, the camera is designed to operate reliably throughout the year in various outdoor conditions. For users who want additional features, a Ring Protect subscription provides cloud video recording, video history, person alerts, and advanced event review tools. Overall, the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro delivers an outstanding combination of smart security, bright illumination, accurate motion tracking, and dependable performance. Its premium features, easy installation, and seamless smart home integration gives you one of the best outdoor home security cameras to consider in 2026 for protecting your home with confidence. Number 3. Ring Stick-Up Cam Pro. The Ring Stick-Up Cam Pro is one of the best versatile home security cameras in 2026, offering intelligent monitoring, crystal clear video quality, and flexible installation for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you want to secure your front porch, backyard, garage, or living room, this camera delivers dependable performance with advanced smart features that help keep your home protected around the clock. Featuring sharp 2K video resolution. The Ring Stick-Up Cam Pro captures detailed footage with vibrant colors and improved clarity, making it easier to recognize people, vehicles, and important activity. HDR technology enhances image quality in challenging lighting conditions, while color night vision provides clear visibility after sunset, ensuring reliable security throughout the day and night. A standout feature of the Stick-Up Cam Pro is its advanced 3D motion detection with bird's eye view, which uses radar technology to provide more precise motion tracking and reduce false alerts. The camera sends instant notifications to your smartphone through the Ring app whenever important activity is detected. Built-in two-way audio with noise cancellation allows you to speak with visitors, delivery drivers, or family members from anywhere using your mobile device. The camera integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, allowing users to stream live video on compatible Echo devices and control the camera with simple voice commands. It also supports customizable motion zones, privacy settings, and multiple power options, including battery, plug-in, and solar charging, giving homeowners the flexibility to install it almost anywhere. Designed with adorable weather-resistant housing, the Ring Stick-Up Cam Pro performs reliably in rain, heat, and cold, making it suitable for year-round outdoor use while remaining equally effective indoors. Users can also subscribe to Ring Protect for cloud video storage, extended event history, person alerts, and additional smart security features. Overall, the Ring Stick-Up Cam Pro offers an excellent combination of intelligent motion detection, premium video quality, flexible installation, and seamless smart home integration. Its advanced features, reliable performance, and user-friendly design make it one of the top home security cameras to consider in 2026 for comprehensive home protection.